Exercise 5.3. Find the sum of the following. First sum is 2, 7, 12, etc. up to 10 terms. Now, sum of n terms in AP, we know the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for n terms in AP. So, we want to find the values of n, a and d. From the given progression, here a equal to 2, that is first term, and d equal to second term minus first term, 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. How many terms we sum? We have to calculate the sum of 10 terms. Here 10. So n equal to 10. Substitute a, d and n values in this formula. Now S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a means here 2. 2 into 2 plus n means 10 and minus 1 into d. D, we know the value of d equal to 5. So S10 equal to 2 ones, 2 fives. 2 ones, 2 fives. So 5 into 2 twos are 4 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5. That equal to 5 into 4 plus 45. That equal to 5 into 4 plus 45, 49. That equal to 5 49s. 5 49s means 5 40s 200 plus 5 9s 45. 245. This is the sum of the given progression of 10 terms. 245. Next, second sum. Here minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms in this progress. Now here a equal to minus 37, d equal to minus 33, minus of minus 37. So this minus this, minus 33 minus of minus 37. So minus 33 plus 37, that is equal to 4. So d is 4 and a is minus 37. How many terms? 12 terms. So here n is equal to 12. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n means 12, 12 by 2 into 2 into a. A here minus 37 plus n means 12, 12 minus 1 into d is 4. Now 2 sixes, 6 into 2 into minus 37 minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 11 into 4 that equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 44 that equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 44 minus 30 that equal to 6 minus 30 is minus 180. This is S12 in this progression. Sum of 12 terms in this progression. Okay. Next, third sum given 0.6, comma 1.7, comma 2.8, so on. How many terms? We have to find 200 terms. 200 terms. Look, here A equal to 0.6, D equal to 1.7 minus 1.7 minus 0.6, that is equal to 1.1. Similarly, here 2.8 minus 1.7, that is also 1.1. So this is the A is equal to 0.6 and D equal to 1.1. And how many terms we have to find? How many terms of sum we have to find? 100 terms. Here n equal to 100. Substitute the values. Substitute the values of A equal to 0.6, D equal to 1.1 and n equal to 100. In Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that equal to S100. Why 100? N equal to 100. So 100 by 2 into 2 into A means 0.6 plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1, 99 into D is 1.1. So this 50 times cancelled. 2 into 0.6, 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. 99 into 1.1. Sorry. That equal to 99, 99, 9, 99, 18, 110. So 108.9. 108.9. So 50 into 1.2, 108.9. Add these two, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here 110.1, that equal to 50 into this one. So 5 1s are 5, 5 0s 0, 5 1 are 5, again 5 1s are 5. So this is a point cancelled. Now 55,505 equal to S100. That is the answer. Here in this progression, he has given in fractions terms. Now a equal to 1 by 15 and d equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15, that equal to here 12 and 15 LCM is 60. 12 how many times? 12 5 times, 5 ones are 5. This is 15 fours 60, 4 ones are this. This is 1 by 60. It is our D. It is our D. So here we know D we found, and this is how many terms? 11 terms. So n is equal to 11. Now yes, n equal to n by 2 into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Now S11 equal to 11 by 2 into 2 into, here a means 1 by 15. Put here 1 by 15 plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1, 10 into d. D is 1 by 60. Now S11 equal to 11 by 2 into here 2 by 15 plus here 10 ones are 10 six are. So 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Here 11 by 2 into 6 and 15 LCM is I think 30. Yes, 30. 15 twos are 2 twos are 4 plus 6 fives are 5 ones are 5. Now 11 by 2 into 11 by 2 into this is 9 by 30. 9 by 30. That is equal to 3 threes and 3 tens. Now 33 by 20. 33 by 20. This is improper fraction. Now convert into mixed fraction. 20 ones are 20, remaining 13. So 1 and 13 by 20 is the answer.